Hello and welcome to this new video. Today I'll show you a new feature in our PN4000 software. From now on, it's possible to import and unfold 3D milled parts. First, I'll import my 3D milled part. If we take a look at this part, we have two options for manufacturing it. The first option would be to take a block and mill the part from it. This is very time-consuming and complex. The second option would be to create a 2D unfolded version from the 3D model and cut the outer contour on a cutting machine, such as a laser cutter or water jet cutter. This method gives you significantly more flexibility in planning your production. For more information, please visit WiCAM.com